In this video, we test local flatness test of door shutter. All the testing procedure given in IS 4020 Part 4. In local flatness test procedure, we check the depth of deviation of our door shutter. For this testing, we have to make 10 square of 200 mm in door shutter, and the door should be fixed in a straight plane horizontal table. And for measuring the depth of deviation, here I take a dial gauge. The least count of the dial gauge is 0.01. Now we check the depth of deviation or local flatness of the door. Now the door, I take here a full size of door. Now the door fixed with a plane horizontal table. Now I will make a square. You can see the length of the square is 200 mm and the width of the square is 200 mm. Both 200 mm and 200 mm square make the door shutter. Now by using the dial gauge, check the depth of deviation of door shutter. Now in this square, the depth of deviation is 0.29 mm. 0.29 mm. Now check in another square. Here the depth of deviation is 0.3 mm. Check in another square. Here also the depth of deviation is 0.29.3 mm. So in our door shutter maximum. So here we check the depth of deviation of door shutter is 0.29 mm, 0.3 mm maximum. As per BIS 2202, our standard, the maximum depth of deviation not be more than 0.5 mm. So our door shutter is passed the local flatness test.